This is MiMo Mike Mozart, and this is the Muppets Magic Egg Color Kit. To speed things along, I'm going to give you a brief overview of a whole bunch of kits, several dozen of them, so you can see just how many Easter egg color kits I made. And I made about 200 other Easter products besides just Easter egg color kits. Oh, and Halloween stuff, and Christmas stuff, and lawn and garden stuff, and infomercial stuff. There's a lot of stuff here. Here is the Winnie the Pooh Hide and Seek Easter Egg Color Kit for younger kids. This came with stickers you'd put on the eggs, which would resist the dye and create little white designs on it, little Winnie the Pooh designs. And this is the insert sheet. This was probably the best-selling kit ever, the Lion King Easter egg coloring set. And this had special egg hugging stickers, which I invented. They're basically medical bandages that are die cut and printed with food-safe inks. And they actually hugged onto the eggs, but they stuck to kids pretty good too. And this had an insert sheet, one of my top-selling kits of the 90s. And this is the Color and Play Egg Deco Kit, and it came with a play mat that was about 3 feet by 3 feet, and it had a crayon so you can make little resist designs, and it had an incredible bonus sheet of these wonderful punch-outs, which were absolutely beautiful because I'm the artist and designer of them. I did the Beauty and the Beast kit. These are all my art and design. Again, for Sunhill Industries, probably about 1993, I'm guessing. Here is one of the two Aladdin ones. This is the marbled egg coloring kit, which actually produced eggs that had a beautiful marbled effect on them. It's a really nice kit, and this was the insert sheet. These were all folded over. There's more panels on them. This is the Hunchback of Notre Dame kit that I did. This one had festival stickers inside, but I've misplaced the festival sticker sheet for this. I probably have it around. And this is the insert sheet that came with it, the punch outs. This is the Hercules kit, and this one had stickers on it. It says egg color kit. I don't remember what these stickers are called, probably just generic stickers. This is what the insert sheet looked like for that. I did a lot of Sesame Street products, and this Easter egg color and sticker kit was painted with Letrajet, those markers that I mentioned before that give super bright, attractive results. This is all before, well, I can say CGI is just starting to roll in about this time. But my artwork, I never did CGI artwork for any products in my life. A company would create a CGI mock-up of it, but that'd be about it. No, I got a lot more. Of course, I did the Uncle Scrooge McDuck DuckTales treasure egg set, and this was a selling sheet that went with it. The companies made these to give it to the big retailers like Walmart, Kmart, Target, and that's how they sold them when the salesman was there, so they would drop those off. Here is my Flintstones kit. I also created the logo for Sunhill, which you'll see on all these products now. And this is painted with that Letrajet system I was telling you about, and these are the inserts. This is a fold-over sheet, just some more on the other side. This is the Donald and Friends Neon Eggs, another Disney one. And there is the very 80s looking Donald Duck and the matching insert for that set. That's a tri-fold insert. There's a lot of inserts on that one. This is Mickey's Neon Eggs, has a similar insert. This is very 80s. This is a newer version of that. This is the 1990s Mickey and Friends Neon Eggs. And it's very Andy Warhol looking on purpose. I was doing a lot of pop art at the time in my product design. So let's say if this is 1991, I was actually ahead of my time. And I really did it because they had this design program here called Mickey Stuff for Kids, and it was kind of dark colors. To jazz up for Easter, I made the characters white, and it made it look a lot better. I think it worked. It was a good solution to that. Here is the Minnie Mouse dress-up paper doll kit. So you color the eggs, and there's an egg stand with Minnie Mouse on it, and you could dress up the egg stand with all these little mix and match dresses and accessories held on little paper tabs. This is Mickey's baseball card set, and you get a Mickey there swinging a bat, but it also came with these 4 playing cards, which actually have stats on the other side. I'll make a better video of that. This is a Sunhill product, My Dinosaur Friend, intended for dollar stores. It sold for $1. And it sort of maybe kind of looked like that purple dinosaur guy, except this one was blue and had pink scales. It wasn't the same character, but nobody cared. It was only $1, so what the heck. And it came with the Easter egg colors in it. I did a number of Bambi kits. This is Disney Babies Neon Egg Coloring Kit. So I had the super bright colors, but it was a basket decorating kit. And all these little punch outs inside were intended to put inside the basket to make the basket beautiful with grass. Isn't that pretty? I designed and created all these sets. These are all my concepts for them. This was a very successful kit. It looked beautiful in stores too. This is the insert sheet for one of the Mickey Mouse play sets, the one with the play mat. There's a little close-up of the artwork. I'm just showing you this quick as I'm telling you I have a lot more of these Easter egg color kits, accessories, and products. And I'm going to try to batch them like this, at least do quick overviews of big groups of them. And I'm making individual videos that show 2 or 3 of the kits to show how special they were or if there was something unusual about them at the time. Again, this is all my artwork. I did thousands of individual pieces of Disney art starting around 1978, 77, 78. And I mostly did it up until 2006, plus a lot of children's books, a lot of toy products, a lot of stickers, a lot of everything. I mean, really.